spend $12 today on Netflix subscription. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, the AICrush. Today we'll be building one web application using Google AI Studio and mainly the recently released Gemini 3 Pro. I have not prepared anything, so that we will directly jump into that Google AI Studio and we can see what we can create one web application and eventually how we can enhance that. Here is basically Google AI Studio, that landing page when you will open that, and here you can describe your idea. Okay, create one professional. Okay, so now I am asking to build, so it's now starting to build. So if you'll see, we'll basically carefully see what it is trying to do. It's basically thinking, and here if you'll see in the right hand side, it is giving a lot of things. Deploy your app, instantly deploy your application and share it with the world. Okay, you can add income tracking. Okay, then transcribe audio. So what all information you can do also, like in a letter enhancement, that also it is doing. Okay, fast version has been created. If you'll see, I'll go to this preview and okay. So it is showing, it has added a cool feature like smart add, like I can just explain anything naturally and Gemini will extract the detail and it will basically say. Let's see, add one entry, new expense. Okay, description, Netflix. Okay, so what is happening, this text is not visible properly here. We can ask this basically, Netflix 12 date, let's say today, category entertainment. Okay, save expense. Okay, it's showing. Okay, so now here let's try one, filled gas in my car today $12. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you'll see, yeah, it has added a transport and $12. Isn't it cool? Like it's automatically adding. Okay, so breakdown by category it is doing. Okay, so you only listed expense is a subscription service, regular reviewing all your subscription can help you identify on each service. Okay, it is giving an insight also. Okay, now what I will add, so I'll just fix that issue. While adding the expense, the text is not visible as it's white on white background. Okay, second thing I will add, okay, the breakdown category should show the value, not only the chart. Okay, recent daily activity, export to sheet. Okay, yeah, let's add. And another thing, add one option where I can just say natural language lines like I have spent $23 in HEB grocery store, and app will transcript that and add my expense. Okay, let's see what it is doing. Okay, so okay, now it has added those things. Let's see. I think here it is basically a microphone it has added. Let's see if it is able to add or not. Okay, spend $12 today on Netflix subscription. Okay, spend $50 in HEB store for grocery marketing. Okay, it's able to do that. Okay, now this also it is doing food and entertainment, and let's see net expense So let's see, grocery, okay, amount 64, date we can add 12th, okay, Ford, okay, save expense. Yeah, it's able to do food, entertainment. Okay, let's try this export to see what it is doing. Okay, it's exporting. We'll ask basically now, can we use an option to upload a screenshot, and from there AI should enter our expense. Okay, so I have given, let's see if it is able to do. So what I want, instead of basically typing or saying, let's say in mobile I have a screenshot of all the message I am getting right from my bank. I'll just take a screenshot and upload that. It should get the date from there, expense and what kind of expense, and it should insert that. So it has finally added here, if you'll see the kind of photo also. Let's try upload. Okay, I think in the desktop the screenshot will be there. Okay, let's see. Okay, it has just added one. Okay, that will do. One thing I am trying to do basically is, so it seems, because in screenshot, if we will see in screenshot we have added, let's see, there are 1, 2, 3 transactions. Okay, but it's not showing here basically. So let's see if it can do that. Okay, till now whatever we have created, this is kind of a very good one. Like, think like just with command prompt you can do that. And the best thing, this smart add I was thinking we'll add in a separate enhancement, but that also it has added. Okay, let's see. Let's now try with this 4 transactions. Okay, so let me open this. So it's trying to process now. Okay, yeah, now it's good. So it has created 4 and it has entirely, okay, it's got the date also. But yeah, this insight you can tweak also, like what insight it, if you want to showcase, like let's say you want to showcase, the insight should show me whenever there is a kind of more than in a particular month or particular day, if there is a transaction kind of more than 100, it should give a like a red color bullet mark or something. If, okay, this is the last thing we'll try. So if it is able to do or not, then we'll see. Okay, now it has created that few things which we have asked. Let's see if it is giving that like more than 100, if in a day, if it is trying to that insight basically showing or not. Okay, so let's see, trying to do. Okay, let's see. So what is it trying to do basically? If today expense is basically more, as we are adding the previous date, that side is not able to do. Let's try in today date only, we will add one. Okay, let's see, once it will finish we can do that. And you can do a lot of things, like you can basically export this to your GitHub, and you can do kind of really implement this, because this is entirely a code. If you'll see here, it has generated a code itself. You can easily do that. Okay, so now let's see, spent 150 in HEB for grocery. Okay, yeah, see, it's showing basically spending a lot. Okay, and one more thing is, now this will be also like already if you'll close this also, so your expense tracker will be still there. You can just come here and open and run that. That is very simple basically. See, it's basically asking for allow, so it will be still there. See, it is that in the data sets and everything is still there in that local, so you can use that. Okay, so that's how I think you can do a lot of things there. I will come up with few more use cases, and if you guys have any use cases and already tried that, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I think a lot of cool things are coming nowadays in AI. You guys can try and let me know if any new tools you guys are trying. I will be happy to try that also. And yeah, I'll come up with a new video in next week. Till then, bye bye.